In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the sender's name on Pandadoc. This is really useful if you've recently updated your personal details, joined a new company, or just want your documents to show a more professional name. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own account as you watch. First, open Pandadoc and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll see either your profile image, if you've uploaded one, or a small circle with your initials. This is your profile menu, and it's where you'll access the settings that control how your name appears to others. Go ahead and click on that profile image or initials. When you do, a small menu will pop up with several options related to your account. From this list, you want to choose the option labeled Account Settings. Click that to open the main settings page for your user profile. The Account Settings area is where Pandadoc stores your basic information, including the name that appears as the sender on documents. Once this page loads, look for the fields labeled First Name and Last Name. These are usually near the top of the page under your profile details. Now, carefully update these fields to reflect the exact name you want your recipients to see. For example, if you previously used a nickname but now want to use your full legal name, adjust your first and last name here. Take a quick moment to check for spelling, capitalization, and any special characters. The way you type it here is the way it will appear on your documents and notifications, so it's worth getting it exactly right. After you've updated your first and last name, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button labeled Save Changes. This step is important because if you navigate away without saving, Pandadoc will keep your old name and none of your updates will apply. Click Save Changes to confirm and store your new information. Once the changes are saved, your updated sender name will be used going forward on new documents and communications from your account. If you already have documents in progress, you may need to refresh your browser or reopen them to see the updated display. That's all there is to it. By adjusting your profile settings, you make sure every document you send from Pandadoc reflects the correct professional name you want your clients and colleagues to see.